Back to the garage. Today we're fixing the gangster lean problem that is my chassis. So if you guys check it out here, the chassis does not sit level. It sits like this. So I need to fix that. Now the reason it sits like that is I don't have 4 of the same jack stands. They're 2 different size jack stands. So that gives me that lean issue. The other problem I need to get the weight of the chassis on the tires itself, because I'm almost to the point where I need to start fabricating things for this project, like mounting the gas tank so that it's level. So I need to work on that so that way I can have it level and get it sitting in the way it's supposed to. Plus, when I go to mount the cab onto the chassis, it needs to be level, otherwise I'll put it on the ground and it's going to sit all wonky. So under its own weight, it's going to be better. Now, if you don't know what wheel cribs are foam blocks you can buy to put underneath the tires. My problem is they're $215 for a 12-inch wheel crib for 2. I need 4. $430. That's cutting pretty deep into my project funds. So yeah, and it's something, I don't know when's the next time I'm going to use them. So I went online and I found out I can build some. So I went and got some wood and screws to go ahead and build my own. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below for you all to check that out if you want to see. I just found the guy online. There's quite a few different tutorials on there, but this guy had all the specific information, and I don't need to regurgitate that for you all because it's already available online. So let's go ahead and continue making new stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into my project. Boom. First one built out. All right, now this is just one level, so I want to show you guys what it is. I went 20 inches long for this particular build and 10 inches long here. So 20 by 10. Now it's time to make a whole lot more cuts. Boom. In all its amazing glory. Okay, this is wood. Give you an idea what it's going to do. Tire will sit on that instead of jack stand. Now we gotta go ahead and make 3 more of those. Jack stands are here, sitting all up on the wood cribs on its own. Oh yeah. Now it is sitting a little hiked up in the back, but that's kind of how this chassis is. I gotta do a couple measurements here to verify exactly if it's sitting exactly how I want it, because I don't want to mount the cab onto the chassis. Scratch that. Mount the cab onto the frame and find out that I got it all level in the way I want it to look, to find out once I put the bed on, it squats down some, now the cab sits a little down in the rear. I don't want that. So I'm gonna have to look up a little research and play with this a little bit to get it fully dialed in here, but for now, all I got left to do is stuff like mounting the radiator fan back on and adding the starter back underneath. Bunch of boring nonsense stuff. So we're going to end it for here. Till next time, go work on your own cars. Peace.